feels like every evening when I turn on the local news that I'm hearing about another Texan being seriously injured or killed after someone decided to get behind the wheel after drinking. DWI cases are different from other cases because we're going to have to search for more answers to make sure justice is served. We're going to have to figure out whose car the drunk driver was driving, who gave the drunk driver the keys, who gave the drunk driver the alcohol. All these questions we're going to have to figure out as soon as possible. And this is because there may be three different aspects to one DWI claim. The civil claim against the driver and the insurance policies that may be in play. The criminal case against the drunk driver for violating the law, driving drunk, and hurting someone. Or the potential Dram Shot case. That's the claim that is asserted against the bar when they overserved someone before they got behind the wheel. The civil claim against the drunk driver is the claim where the insurance company comes in to resolve it. You can hold the drunk driver responsible for your damages. That can include lost wages, medical bills, pain and suffering, mental anguish, and more. The drunk driver will likely also face criminal charges for breaking the law. Depending on how severe the circumstances are, you may be called to testify at trial. The criminal case is handled by the DA's office, and that's separate from any civil claim that you may have. The drunk driver may face jail time, fines, probation, and more. Finally, in Texas, we have what we call a Dram Shot law, and that's where bars and restaurants can be held responsible for getting the driver drunk before they get behind the wheel. And in these cases, the victims of the DWIs can hold the bar or restaurant accountable for their injuries and damages. Texas Dram Shot laws includes social host liability, and that's where adults can be held responsible for serving underage kids and allowing them to drive. As you can see, Dram Shot law involves a lot of moving parts and intense investigations. It's one of the ways that DWI claims are different from other car wreck claims. The goal is always to compensate you for your injuries and damages. This includes your medical expenses, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and mental anguish, and every other way that the drunk driver changed your life. Having an experienced team by your side that knows how to find you closure is extremely important. Consultations with our team are always free. You don't have to do this alone.